oath of office.
I, Surveyor Peter Joseph Ogolo, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Surveyor-General, Permanent Secretary, Rivers State, sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will preserve, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will be that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, effective or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly accommodate or reveal to any person, any matter, or shall before known to me as Surveyor-General, Permanent Secretary of Rivers State, except as may be required by the due discharge of my duties as Surveyor-General, Permanent Secretary of Rivers State. So help me God.
The story of when your time comes, nobody can stop it. Mr. Ogolo, who by the special grace of God today has been sworn in as the Surveyor-General and the Permanent Secretary, has been a very senior survey officer in the state. If you go into the history of even the then Greater Port Harcourt development, if you go into the history of other developments in this state, if you check the survey plans, you will see that Ogolo was the one who signed virtually all those things. But something happened in the course of his service. He was between losing his job or fighting for his life. He came to me and advised him, why don't you leave? Maybe another day you fight. And that is why today he's alive to be the Surveyor-General. If he had stood to fight, that he was the most senior, that he's the most qualified, he wouldn't have been here today. This appointment is not because it's from Opobo. He's the most senior, most qualified, even the one who interviewed the person who is succeeding now. The records are there, go to Civil Service Commission. So I don't need to give you any charge. You're already there. You know what the office entails. You just read your oath of office. Do what is right. It's not about the faces you're going to see. Do what is right. Be professional. Defend the interests of the state. I wish you all the best. God will guide you. Thank you.